Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your insurance document on the Spark Driver app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your insurance documents to make sure that's up to date. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to the Spark Driver app, then click on More. Then click on Account, and then what's going to happen here is that you're going to be redirected to this page here. Go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Driving Documents. So this is where you're going to be able to find your insurance document on the Spark Driver app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your insurance document on the Spark Driver app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.